Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
The Garmin Kraken for 2025 truly redefines what a trolling motor can do for you. It's engineered for serious anglers, providing incredible power, whisper-quiet performance, and pinpoint control. Whether you're holding a spot in strong current or navigating tricky structure, understanding how to maximize its unique features will absolutely transform your time on the water, making every fishing trip more productive and enjoyable. Getting your Kraken ready begins with a secure mounting. Make sure it's firmly attached to your boat's bow, following the included template for best results. Next, connect the power cables, paying close attention to polarity, and using the correct gauge wire for your system, protecting your investment. Finally, power it up and pair it effortlessly with your Garmin chart plotter, unlocking its full potential and advanced features right away. One of the Kraken's most powerful features is its anchor lock. This function lets you hold your boat perfectly still over a specific fishing spot, even in wind or current. To activate it, simply press the anchor button on your Kraken foot pedal or the remote control. You can then fine-tune its sensitivity through your chart plotter, ensuring stable positioning in various water conditions, which really helps you stay on the fish. The 2025 Kraken truly shines with its built-in sonar capabilities. Depending on your model, you'll have either crisp-down view, side view, or even live scope integrated right into the motor itself. This means you get incredibly clear, real-time views of fish and structure directly on your Garmin chart plotter, without extra transducers. It simplifies your rigging and gives you a huge advantage for spotting and targeting fish with remarkable clarity. Beyond the basics, your Kraken offers advanced navigation features like setting routes, following contours, and using the jog function to move 5 feet with a single tap. Remember to keep its software updated regularly through your Active Captain app. This ensures you always have the latest improvements and capabilities. Finally, a quick rinse and inspection after each outing will help maintain your Kraken's peak performance for many seasons of successful fishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.